Tesla launches 2024 holiday update. Tesla has officially launched its holiday update for 2024, and in typical fashion, the company is rolling out some major features and improvements to owners. Tesla typically launches a massive update toward the end of the year, with upgrades and new features on a regular basis. 2024 has some features that have been long requested, and the company is making sure to reward owners with them. The holiday update features a lot of new things, but the most requested feature that Tesla came through on for owners is the addition of an app for the Apple Watch. Tesla has been working on this for several months, as we reported recently that the company was planning to launch some sort of smartwatch app according to source coding. Additionally, dashcam and Sentry mode footage can be saved from the Tesla app to your phone to edit and share, something that was not previously available for owners. Here are all the features Tesla is adding with the 2024 holiday update. Tesla app on Apple Watch. Use your Apple Watch as your phone key. You can also view battery charge, open frunk turn on climate control. Save dashcam Sentry mode clips to phone. Watch dashcam Sentry mode clips directly from the Tesla app, and save them to your phone to edit or share. Auto shift between drive reverse on stockless Model 3. Auto shift on stockless Model 3 can now automatically shift between drive reverse to handle parking lot maneuvers multi-point turns. Sirius XM now available for Model 3, Y, and Cybertruck. Set arrival energy at destination. You can now set a preferred battery charge level for when you arrive at your destination. Search along route with estimated detour times. When navigating, search results are now filtered to show options along your route estimated detour times. Precipitation map weather at destination. View precipitation directly on the map to check the weather at your destination. Rear cross traffic alert. When in reverse, your vehicle will alert you if it detects a pedestrian or vehicle crossing behind you. An audible warning will also play if a cross-traffic object is detected. Cybertruck custom wraps and license plate customization. Personalize your Cybertruck avatar with a custom wrap license plate. Use one of many preloaded designs or create and upload custom ones using a USB flash drive. Details on template and instructions will be published via GitHub. Cybertruck rear camera improvements. The rear camera feed is now larger. You can pinch to zoom in or out. Tune-in radio on Tesla is now much better, still completely free with no setup needed. Cybertruck rear arcade. Play games from the backseat while cruising around. Cybertruck Santa mode. Ho ho ho. Santa mode changes your Cybertruck avatar into Santa's sleigh, including reindeers, elves, and more. Schedule light show from the Tesla app. Remotely schedule light shows from the Tesla app, including the 2 new light shows in the 2024 holiday update. Boomerang Foo. Slice dice your friends with boomerangs in this action-packed party game. Fart on contact. Prank your friends with each new bum detection. Sit happens. Adjust passenger seat from controls. The new seats control panel allows you to adjust the position of the unoccupied passenger seat, including second-row seats. Maintenance summary. You can now view track maintenance items from your vehicle's touchscreen. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.